Hello everyone, myself Nilesh Lakshmi. Today's date is 1 March 2022. Today's my Viva video topic is Java break statement. The Java break statement in the program, the word is used to terminate or the end and the ongoing process. Let us understand this is deeply with the help of the real life of example. When we say you want to bottle with water, so we turn on the tap and the bottle start getting the filled and with water. As soon as the bottle gets the completely filled, we turn the tap off. Now if we observe closely, see it's in the getting the field was to ongoing process that terminated as soon as the bottle is got filled. Okay, so that's once work done. That's our work as a was it done. So how to break statement in Java, work in Java. Okay, so we already we seen it break statement. It help to end or terminate as an ongoing process by breaking the current flow of program. But let's now understand how that happens. Okay, so it control condition code. It goes to check it is negative. If we, their condition of if condition or if is false. Okay, so it will be returned, and the if condition is true, then it is code is executed to the conditional code. Okay, so the control is goes to condition code, and it control moves of the condition. The point is the condition check in the sense whether it condition true or false. If the condition is true, the control jump and it back to step 1. Okay, so in this the control code, the control goes to condition code. The control the encounter the break statement, which is force it move out of the condition code structure, and it take it to the black overall, denoting the end of the program. Okay, so it is a different the break statement in Java. The break statement in Java, it is used to several cases, like for loop, while loop, do while loop, and switch case statement. Okay, so for loop, in this so let's see the example. We've seen that the loop start from the one and they keep the iterating the till reach, and it inside the loop we have print the statement, and it print and we have an if conditional. That conditional is break statement. Okay, so this is the break statement will be executed only when I become the equals. Okay, so this is the explanation about for loop. Okay, single for loop. Okay, so this is the all about this is small information in about the break statement. Okay, thank you.